Welcome to the vlog. I'm going to talk about I found a kitten. I just found one kitten down and it was crying. I don't know, but I want to see the proof. You can see it. In 3 to 1 I found it. And smaller than the kitten which I have in Nani's house. So you want to see it? Yeah, I'll show you. And it's smaller than it and not open its eyes. Okay. Where are you, kitty? See it, it up there, see its head, its head up there, see its head. So guys, I got it up, like some stupid person I got it up, but I don't know, but my mother just closed it. I got it up because it was meow, meow, it was like that, so I had to keep it warm and safe. And after it gets up, we are gonna feed it milk. Yeah, we'll feed it milk, and maybe we'll give to my grandpa. Yeah, we will. We should. Yeah, we will give to my grandpa, and everything should be back to normal. Like my kittens, they also normal. So thank you guys for watching and subscribing. And remember, stay sweet.